Hello travelers, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you what to do in Paris. If you like my channel, please consider to subscribe, put a thumbs up, and let's start the video for today.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster.
Paris, this beautiful city of Paris, very well known with the Eiffel Tower, Triomphe Arc, the Champs-Élysées, the shopping, and the beautiful Montmartre. I went to Paris during Christmas last year, and it was gorgeous with the Christmas market. And I gotta tell you some hiding gem in Paris. Let's start with some museum. The most famous one is the Louvre. That beautiful museum has this huge collection of art and great history. It's very beautiful to go there to know some Egyptian story, some king of France with that gathering of jewels, and the most famous one, the Leonardo da Vinci of the Mona Lisa. I was lucky enough to be very close to it. I went to the Louvre during the end of the day, and it was almost closed. I had sometimes to run to see the Mona Lisa, and we were just few people. I'll show you pictures here. Let's go to the Musée d'Orsay. The Musée d'Orsay has an amazing collection of Van Gogh and very beautiful statue, like kind of the Louvre, but the Musée d'Orsay is across the Seine, this beautiful view. It's not very far from the Louvre. You can go definitely at walk. It's 10 minutes or 15 minutes at walk. I've been very surprised. I didn't know that one. The Atelier of Louis. Very unusual. It's not exactly a museum. It's more like an exhibit. But that exhibit show with cameras beautiful art. I was lucky to see the art in different eye from Dali. I think now it's porcelain art. I will show you videos here. It's beautiful, it's unusual, and when you have a good walk and you're exhausted, it's very great to go there. You can sit and enjoy the exhibit. It's gorgeous. I really love to go there. I even go twice. It's just 14 euros. It's very cheap. Go there. It's definitely worth it. Go to the Garnier Opera, or maybe Opera Garnier, I don't know. Go to the Opera Garnier. The visit is 12 euros if I'm not mistaken. Go to see a show during the night. I didn't go during the night, but I made a little visit. The stairs inside, if you are selfie lovers, if you are photography lovers, you can have gorgeous pictures in there. It's definitely worth it to take a look in there. It's beautiful opera, the most beautiful opera I've never been on. Let's go to see the most famous monuments. Go and enjoy the Eiffel Tower and the Trocadero. You can go pictures there, but I will advise you, if you first time to Paris, go to the Eiffel Tower and climb on the top. It's definitely worth it. The view is stunning of the Champs. It's gorgeous. There are amazing views in Paris. You can definitely enjoy. Go to the Triomphe Arc. You can go and use the stairs and see the view of the Champs-Élysées, or either the rooftop of the Galerie Lafayette or Le Printemps. Use the elevators. I went to the rooftop during the perfect time during sunset. I put pictures in there. Oh, the view was stunning. You can see the Eiffel Tower. You can see beautiful architecture of old Paris. Go to the Sacré-Cœur and enjoy the Montmartre. You can go on the tops of the Sacré-Cœur. If you walk a lot during your stay, it will be kind of hard to use the stairs, but the view is definitely worth it too. It's beautiful. Paris is magical. Go to the end of the Seine and go to see the Liberty statue, the small Liberty statue in Paris. Actually, the Liberty statue was made per Mr. Eiffel and was a gift for the USA. That's why they are the biggest Liberty statue in New York. And just a reminder, they're a small Liberty statue. It's not that small actually, but it's definitely smaller than New York. In Paris, go there, you can see the Liberty statue. In Paris, if you are an history lover, go to the catacomb underground of Paris. It's very interesting to go there. It's a small walk. I think I spent 45 minutes. I took time if you're into it. But it's very interesting to do that at least once. And during summer, it's very amazing because it's colder on the ground. So yeah, go there and learn some history of Paris on the ground. Go to the Jardin Royal and close to it. Enjoy the beautiful architecture of the Colonne Burin. That's the most beautiful spot for Instagram. As you need to know, it's a spot where Emily in Paris was acting in there too. Enjoy the Jardin de Luxembourg. That beautiful garden has princess statue. And if I'm not mistaken, some queen of France. If you love French history, but even if you don't interest, you can learn and just enjoy a good walk in there. Sit, take a coffee, enjoy it. I was not lucky enough. It started to rain when I went, but I had wonderful pictures. I really enjoyed there. A wonderful kind of fountain with like a pool. I put the pictures here. I really enjoyed it. It was definitely worth it. It was definitely gorgeous, and people just relaxing there. The Eiffel Tower. Go to the Jardin des Tuileries. It's close to the Louvre. You can sit in there. It's beautiful, and during the night you have a beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower. If you could enjoy a walk during the night, just go there. But be careful, they close the garden at 6 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to enjoy to go there, go early. Some cafe or restaurant I will advise you to go. So when I went to the Café Nemours. That cafe, if you're movie lovers, they act a scene with Angelina Jolie from the tourist movie. Of course, as you know, I'm a movie fan. I love fine spots, and I enjoy a great lunch. I ate some quiche, I take a lemon juice, and just a coffee because I was definitely full, so no dessert. The service was very nice and great. And the price was very cheap in my taste. I just paid 15 euros for having lunch and enjoy. And it was winter, and I was lucky enough they have some heat above you outside. It was gorgeous moment. At Christmas Day, I decided to go to Montmartre and eat toast. That beautiful house is pink, and it's a restaurant, and our French singer, very famous one, Dalida, loved that spot. And they make a scene of Emily in Paris there. And I decided to have lunch during my Christmas there. And I spent an amazing, great time in there. It was gorgeous. The service was amazing. I laugh with people. It's very small. And if you want to have a spot, I will advise you booked a spot. You make sure to have a seat. It was gorgeous. And to the Place Dalida, I put pictures in there. There are so amazing spots in Paris to go. And I walked to the Sacré-Cœur. In the Place of Montmartre, there are artists, a lot of artists. And if you want to get drawn, it's not for free. Some artists will do with tips. Some artists have a price fixed. I think the most expensive was 20 euros. But if you don't want to get drawn, just enjoy walking there. And enjoy the art. Enjoy the art. And during my Christmas, I was very amazed. The musician played some music and put a video in there. It was very lovely. And now in Montmartre, you can find a lot of lockers. I put the pictures. It was very lovely. And I was amazed during Christmas how many people there were outside. It was not crowd, but it was amazing to see people during Christmas and enjoy their Christmas. Famous cafe in Paris is the Café Restaurant, but be aware, it's pricey. You can take pictures outside if you want, but it's pricey. I paid 17 euros for one cake and one coffee. Just be aware, the service was great. That's not an issue, but if you're very short budget, go somewhere else. If you want to just have the pictures outside, do it and have a coffee somewhere else. But if you don't mind to pay and enjoy your stay, you'll be very well served, I assure you. But can proceed, be aware of that. Let's go to the hiding gem of Paris. There are some passages in there with beautiful little shops. So let's le passage des panoramas in the 9th district. That's short little streets. It's gorgeous. It's escaping your mind. It's gorgeous. If you want to browse or maybe buy some books, there are lots of gallery, library, coffee shops too. It's amazing. I did that during the morning and I decided to walk Galerie Perododa to the 1st district. It was beautiful and surprisingly there are Christian Louboutin shop and that's the warehouse if I'm not mistaken. Just enjoy the window, just browsing. It was really amazing and very escaping. The window is beautiful. If you go to Paris, shopping. Oh yes, you can go do some shopping without to go to the Galerie Lafayette, to Le Printemps. Or if you want to spend some money and do just luxury shop, go to the Rue Cambon, go to the Place de Vendôme, that place is beautiful. Or even go to the Rue Montaigne. And even if you don't want to spend your money, go in browsing there. It's beautiful. And during Christmas, they put amazing decoration outside. That's definitely for the eye. It's definitely for free. I will put different pictures in there. It's very lovely. I spent a gorgeous, amazing time in Paris. You can leave Paris without to do at least the bus up half. I did that one during the night. It was breathtaking. A long night city to see the city during the night. It's beautiful. And Bateau Mouche. I did that one. It was kind of cold. I just knew that. But it's worth it. It's 1 hour of visit. And you can see Notre Dame on the Seine. You can see the Eiffel Tower. It's just 15 euros. It's very worth it. And you can learn some amazing stories. You can see the Pont d'Alexandre III. It's beautiful. You can see all the architecture of Paris. Now you know what to do in Paris. Don't hesitate. If you want more advice, more tips, comment down below. I'll be very happy to hear from you. I will see you next week. And if you love those kind of videos, put a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next week. Have a nice day. Bye bye, travelers.